In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access public crypto trade ideas in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, TradingView can be an invaluable resource. Let's dive in and explore how you can find and engage with crypto trade ideas using the platform. First, you'll want to make sure you have the TradingView desktop application open and ready to go. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can easily find it online, and it's a fantastic tool for traders of all levels. Once you have it open, you'll want to navigate your way to the Trading Ideas section. This is where the magic happens, where users share their insights, analysis, and strategies on various markets. Once you've clicked on Trading Ideas, the next step is to refine your search by filtering through the categories. Since we're interested in cryptocurrencies, you'll want to select the Crypto category. This will narrow down the multitude of ideas to those specifically focused on the crypto market. After you have your crypto-specific trade ideas displayed, consider selecting either the latest or the trending ideas. This can help you keep tabs on the freshest takes or the most talked about insights in the community right now. It's also a great way to identify which trends might be catching on in the crypto world. As you browse through the trade ideas, you might come across various charts and analyses shared by traders around the globe. One such idea might catch your eye, like an idea discussing the GBP-USD pair breaking below a trend line with a potential for a downward trajectory. Although this specific example focuses on a forex pair, the method remains the same for crypto. Clicking on one of these intriguing ideas can provide deeper insights and often a lengthy discussion in the comment section, which can offer additional perspectives and clarifications. Once you've identified a trade idea or a trader whose analysis resonates with you, it's wise to click the Follow button on their profile. By following a trader, you can stay updated with their latest ideas, making it easier to track ongoing trades or new analysis they might release. This approach allows you to build a curated feed of trade ideas and experts that suit your trading style. Finally, don't forget to click on Grab this chart if the idea includes a chart you find useful. By doing so, you can save the chart to your account, allowing for easy reference or to conduct your own analysis based on the shared ideas. This step is essential for when you want to revisit your favorite analyses or use them as a baseline for further research. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you're now equipped to explore and utilize public crypto trade ideas on TradingView, making your trading journey a more informed and enriched experience.